This robot vacuum stands out as a true all-in-one system, automatically washing its mop with very hot water, drying it with warm air, and emptying its own dustbin so you rarely need to touch it. Its extremely strong suction and anti-tangle main brush do an impressive job pulling embedded debris from hard floors and carpets without getting choked by pet or human hair. The edge-focused mopping arm reaches right up against baseboards and into corners, while automatically lifting the pads on carpets, which helps avoid damp rugs and cross-contamination. A dual spinning mopping setup applies steady downward pressure and adjustable water flow, so it can handle everything from light dust to stubborn, dried spills, more like a manual scrub. Sophisticated mapping and three-dimensional obstacle detection let it learn your floor plan quickly, steer around clutter, and clean large areas methodically instead of bumping around at random. With a long-lasting battery, low maintenance filters and cleaning agents, and detailed control through the companion application, it is well suited for bigger homes that want mostly hands-off daily cleaning.